Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. So I'm Miss Dana with Young Audience, and today we're going to focus on early language skills. So you and your little one will engage in a few fun activities will help them increase their vocabulary or learn some new vocabulary, and also incorporate a few Spanish words like hello and goodbye, or hola and adios. So parents and caregivers, if you can participate, and if you would like to keep your cameras on so we can see each other's beautiful faces and so our little ones can see each other. So we know that, learning a new language, it's very, very new for our little ones, and it's a challenge. But we also know that if you keep on trying, if you talk and keep talking to your little ones, it makes it very easy for them to connect words to their real life experiences. So first, we'll start off with our good morning song. Can everybody say good morning? Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so we can sing good morning. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna say good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Can everybody say good morning? Good morning. Good morning. Let's sing it again. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Let's do it one more time. One more time. Here we go. Everybody say good morning. Good morning. Here we go. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Hey, good job. Good job. Okay, can you give yourselves a round of applause for singing the good morning song? Okay, so let's start off by singing our hello song. Here we go. One hand up, two hands up. Wiggle your fingers, let me know that you're ready. Let's go high. Can we go high? Hello. Everybody go high. Hello. One more time. Hi. Hello. Let's shake those hands out. Let's shake them out. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Hey, let's try it again. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. One more time. A little bit faster. Shake, 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 and freeze. Okay, good job, guys. So every time we engage with your child every time you engage your child with oral communication, it gives them again a connect between words and everyday life. So parents, keep talking and talking and talking to your little ones. And if you run out of words, then read to them or sing. And then start talking again. So let's sing, okay? Everybody's ready? Can everybody say, oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go over some fruit. Raise your hand if you like fruit. Raise your hand if you like fruit. Hey, I love fruit. Fruit are so amazing. It's so amazing. Let's check out my dun 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 my fruit bowl. Do you see my fruit bowl? Okay, so we can sway from side to side. Fruit, fruit. I like fruit, fruit, fruit. I like fruit, fruit, fruit. I like fruit. What fruit do we have today? Let's see, we have a dun 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 dun. You know this fruit? Orange. Good job. It's our orange. I have 2 oranges. Can you say orange? Orange, orange, orange. I like oranges. Orange, orange. I like oranges. Do you like oranges?
You like oranges?
Yay, oranges. Can you say orange? Orange. Okay, here we go. Fruit, keep moving, fruit. I like fruit. Fruit, fruit. I like fruit. What fruit do we have today? Let's see, we have, whoop. Do you know this fruit?
What's that?
Lime.
It's a lime, you got it. We have limes. Can you say lime? Say limes.
Lime.
Limes. Here we go. Let's move it. Lime, lime. I like limes. Limes, limes. I like limes. Do you like limes? Yes, everybody say limes.
Lime.
Limes. Good job. Let's go back to our fruit bowl. Here we go. Let's move. Fruit, fruit. I like fruit. Fruit, fruit. I like fruit. Fruit, fruit. I like fruit. What fruit do we have today? What about dun, 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 dun. Do you know this fruit?
Apples.
Apples. Apples. Yes, we have two red apples. Here we go. Let's say apples. Apples, apples. I like apples. Apples, apples. I like apples. Do you like apples? Can you say apples? Apples. Good job. I think we have one more fruit in my bowl. Here we go. Let's move. Fruit, fruit. I love fruit. Fruit, fruit. I love fruit. Fruit, fruit. I love fruit. Let's see our last fruit of the day. What do we have? Dun, 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 dun. Do you know this fruit? Bananas. Here we go. Let's move. Bananas, bananas. I like bananas. Bananas, bananas. I like bananas. Do you like bananas? Can you say banana? Bananas. Good job. We have our yellow bananas. Let's put them back inside of our bowl. Here we have the oranges. Say oranges.
Oranges.
Oranges. And then we have our limes. Can you say limes? Limes. And we have our apples. Everybody say apples. And last we have our bananas. Can you say bananas? Bananas. Okay. Now, speaking of apples and bananas, let's sing a song about apples and bananas. Do you know the song about apples and bananas?
No.
No, but we're gonna sing it today. We're gonna sing it today. So we're gonna sing, I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. If you can sway side to side, here we go. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. One more time. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat apples and bananas. Let's change the sound to a sound, ite. Can you say ite? Ite. I like to ite, apples and bananas. I like to ite, apples and bananas. Let's change to a e sound, eat, eat. All right, can you say eeples? Eeples. Eeples. I like to eat, eat eeples and bananas. I like to eat, eeples and bananas. Let's change it to a I sound, I. What about it? Let's sing. I like to eat, apples and bananas. I like to eat, apples and bananas. One more time. I like to eat, apples and bananas. Let's go to the O sound, the O sound. Can you say oot? Our oot sound. Here we go. I like to oot, 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 oopers and bananas. I like to oot, 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 oopers and bananas. One more time. I like to oot, 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 oopers and bananas. I like to oat, 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 oopers and bananas. Let's use the ooh sound, the U sound, the ooh, oot. Here we go. I like to oot, 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 oopers and bananas. I like to oot, 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 oopers and bananas. One more time. I like to oot, 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 oopers and bananas. Good job, guys. Let's go going through the sound for me. So let's sing it one more time, but the correct way. Can we say apples? Apples. And what was this fruit again? Do you remember?
Bananas.
The banana. Here we go. Let's sing it one more time. Sway with me. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. One more time. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. Okay, guys, good job at singing the apples and banana song. So we're gonna put them back in our fruit bowl. So we have our apples. Here we go. Our apples, your bananas. Do you remember these guys? These are our oranges, right? And we have one more fruit. It's so green. Do you remember that one?
Lime.
It's a lime. Yeah, it's a green lime. Okay, good job, guys. Good job. Let's put our fruit away. And because we're moving so much, let's use our hands again. Let's shake them out. Shake, 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 freeze. Let's do it again. Shake, 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 freeze. One more time. Let's shake them out as fast as we can. Shake, 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 and freeze. Okay, hands are down. Okay, guys. So here we go. Now, we're gonna go to our next part of our lesson, and it's to look at our featured art. Okay, so we're gonna look at our featured art and discuss it a little bit. Okay, so let's look at our featured art. Wow, isn't it amazing?
Butterfly wing.
Right, this is so creative. Look how tall it is. This guy's standing so tall. This costume is so amazing. And this guy is very brave because he's balancing himself on some stilts. Those little white sticks at the bottom are stilts. So the guy, he's standing on top of them. Isn't it so nice? This art is done by Laura Anderson Barbata. It's the African bet of Osebo drums, a West African tale practiced from the Junior Carnival Parade in 2005. Okay, it was a courtesy of Laura Anderson Barbata. And if we keep looking at this art, you can see that his pants is made of raffia. So when he moves, it shakes and shingles. And he have these long arms, or you can think about it as wings. Can you hold your arms out very long like this guy is? Very long. Can we move them like some bats, right? Because he's in bat. He's an African bat, okay? Can we think of anything else that has wings? Can you think of anything else? I can.
And butterflies.
Butterflies, yes, you're correct. We have butterflies. We have all different types of birds. Can we do it one more time? Hold your arms out like this guy and flap your wings like a bat. Here we go. Yes, good job, good job, good job. Okay, guys, so yes, This is a great piece of art. It is, again, the African bat of Osebo's drum and West African tail practice of the Junior Carnival. Mhm. Okay, so we have a few more sets to go. Now we're gonna sing our, let's sing our goodbye song. Yeah. Now in Spanish, another language, we can say adios. Can you say adios?
Adios.
Adios. Everybody say adios.
Adios.
One more time. Can everybody say adios?
Adios.
Let's say it 2 more times and you can wave goodbye, right? Like this, or you can do this. Everybody say adios. Adios. All right, let's go. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. We're gonna sing the adios song. Here we go. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, everybody. Adios, adios, adios. Okay, now we can sing it in English, right? First, we sing it in Spanish, which is adios, which means goodbye. Now let's sing goodbye. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hands are down. Let's go one more time. One time in Spanish and one time in English. Here we go. Hands are up. Wiggle your fingers. Let me know that you're ready. All right, guys, looks good. Here we go. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, everybody. Adios, adios, adios. Now let's sing it in English. Hello. Let me say goodbye. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hands are down. Okay, guys, thank you guys for joining me today. I am Ms. Dana. Again, keep on talking and talking and talking to your little ones to help them build their vocabulary and their early language skills. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Adios. Goodbye.
Bye.